Today being on Saturday, it's on a weekend, guys. We are visiting farmers. Thank you so much. My farmers today will go. Nataka kuona mmoja Lavington hapa kidogo. And then after that now I'll be heading to Kitengela. And then somewhere in Isinya. Yeah guys, thank you for the great support guys, which you have given us. Kuku ni mali guys. Actually kuku business is a very serious business. Ask me about our broiler chicken guys. I will teach you about broiler chicken. Because the broilers are the ones which have made us to this far. Poultry farming is the one which has made us maybe tumefika this far. So guys, we are so grateful guys. Kuku ni mali guys. And the ones who have been following me, thank you. Go to YouTube, search for a name called Eugene Poultry. Watch our clips there, learn more. Kuku ni mali guys. Thank you for your great support. Nairobians, tuko pamoja. And I'm sure I'm planning your farm visits because I should visit almost all my farmers in all sub-counties in this Nairobi county. Kuku ni mali, thank you. Happy weekends to Jibambe. Guys, leo nimepita kwa express highway. Hey. Hiyo barabara ni tamu my friend. Hiyo barabara iko straight. Thank you guys for the great work. Asanteni sana. Asante sana.
He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all. If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough. He's done so much for me, I cannot tell it all.
Yes guys, thank you. Yes guys, thank
If
you.
I had
Today being on Saturday
10,000
guys,
tongues,
we are in Nairobi today visiting our farmers in Nairobi. So guys, thank God for this great far. We are here. Now guys, we are heading to see our farmers in Mulolongo. Other farmers are in Kitengela. Others are in Kiserian. Others are in Kajiado. So guys, today we are coming there. Kuku ni mali guys, thank you for the great support. Kuku ni mali, thank you guys.